Someone the other day asked me if it was illegal to do that, to go from here to there, across.
Really?
Yeah. And I'm like, no, you can. So we're gonna back it into the space just on this side of the gray car. Do the reverse parking in there. Pretend like this is the day of your road test. Nice, right on. Okay, so when you get to the road test center on the day of your road test, back in like this, so you're just leaving facing forward again.
Okay.
And then once you find your space, you go inside. Are you taking this car? Or are you taking your own car?
I'm taking Tanya's car, I think.
Okay, so
one
she'll
of
go
yours,
through this
yeah.
with you then. So then basically she'll take you inside there just to get you all registered. It only takes a couple minutes, and then there's one of the examiners there. Then you come back out and you can sit in the car. Hot day like this, you'd probably want to start it right away and put that air conditioning on.
Yeah.
And then usually they don't have the stereo on, they don't have the radio on. So it might be a little awkward, but it's only like maybe 8 to 15 minutes of your life without any background noise, so that you can concentrate.
Yeah.
And so that you can hear the examiner as well. I have one student that's just like, she has ADHD,
Oh,
whatever it is.
yeah.
And did I tell you about her? She needs that background noise to concentrate. So I'm going to have to talk to one of the examiners here and let them know that, you might want to let her put the radio on
Yeah.
just low in the background. And there's another examiner. Looks like they might be finishing early today. Usually they finish at 5. Too hot to continue.
Yeah.
Then, so yeah, you get yourself all set up, radio off and everything, and you can put your seatbelt on, just be ready to go. When they come out, when one of them comes out, they'll come up to your window and ask you for your license again, so just have that ready for them. They'll want to identify you, and then they'll do a little a circle check.
Okay.
So you stay in the car, they'll get you to honk the horn. Go ahead and honk the horn. So okay, you found it.